This is just a resource as to how to control your audio output and volume. So you can play audio out of the computer itself, or you can play it out of the Soundfield system, which is better for when you're showing like little video clips to your class. That quick change I have illustrated right here. All right, you click on your speaker button down here, and then the little arrow to pop up the choices, and you get the different choices, but the two you're looking at are Epson and the sound bar, and I have that indicated here. In order for the Soundfield system to work, the projector must be on. If you turn the projector off, you can then switch over to the sound bar. Other things you have to take note of: not only can you control your volume here, but you can also control it using your remote control to the projector and the second white button here. So these three things control your volume. If one of them is turned all the way down, you won't hear anything. Thank you.